am going to share you some simple activities through which your child can learn counting. So come with me. Simple counting activities. Here is a fun and simple counting activity for children. It is very easy to set up at home or in the classroom. Can be designed to suit individual needs and will help children build and consolidate their understanding of identifying numbers. Other activities: post-it number and match. The aim of the activity is the child to read the number, to recognize the number. Some other activities related to this: number boxes. You have to put stickers or binders in the mentioned box according to the number given in the box. How to use the fingerprint counting printables. Just pour a little paint in a tray and let your child dip a fingertip into the paint. I use caterpillar, ladybird of varying lengths and other activities. This is great for practicing number recognition and one-to-one correspondence. Other activities are example of this. Like I'm using this clouds. For showing raindrops, I'm using my finger according to the number given in the cloud. Octopus. As you see, same I am doing this activity in this picture. Ice cream cone. Ice cream might be fun and yummy to eat, but it can also be used as a treat that will give your child excited about practicing important maths concept. Other activities related to this. You have to put some flowers, some beads. You can use whatever you have at your place. So these are some activities which help you to learn the counting. So I believe learning by doing is a great activity through which your child can learn better. I hope you like this video.